Before we start, let me tell you a truth most people never hear. Men don't respect you because of what you give. They respect you because of who you are when you stop trying to prove anything. And once a woman unlocks these 5 secrets, a man never looks at her the same again. So listen till the end, because the last one is the 199% of women ignore, and it's the one that changes everything. Number 1. The power of your silence. Psychology says a woman who knows when to stay silent speaks louder than any argument. Men instantly notice when you don't chase, don't beg, don't rush to explain yourself. That your silence shows maturity, and maturity creates respect. When you walk away from drama instead of fighting for attention, a man realizes she's different. Number 2. Your emotional self-control. Men deeply respect a woman who feels everything, but doesn't let emotions control her life. That it shows emotional strength. That it shows wisdom. And it shows that you don't need anyone to fix your heart. That psychology confirms. Emotional stability is one of the strongest foundations for long-term respect. And when a man sees you staying calm in moments most people break, he respects you forever. Number 3. Your standards that don't shake. Listen carefully. A woman's standards are her identity. And men can sense instantly when your boundaries are soft or firm, when you say what you accept and what you will never allow again, and you stick to it. It sends a powerful signal. I value myself, and trust me. Men respect what values itself. Number 4. The way you love yourself first. This one is deeper than people think. Men don't respect women who burn themselves out just to keep someone else warm. But when he sees you choosing yourself, resting, healing, growing, protecting your peace, he realizes you're not just a woman. You're a whole universe. That psychology says self-love changes how others treat you. That you teach people how to love you by how you love yourself. Number 5. The strength to walk away from almost love. Now this is the secret that creates permanent respect. Most women stay hoping someone will change. But a woman who walks away when she's not valued, that woman leaves an impact. A man never forgets that your absence will teach him what your presence couldn't. And psychology proves it. When someone loses access to you, their respect increases instantly. Men honor the woman who chooses her worth over her fear of being alone. So remember, respect isn't demanded, it's created through energy, actions, and quiet strength. That once a woman unlocks these 5 secrets, men don't just respect her, they admire her, they honor her, they never forget her. If this touched your heart, stay with me, because your transformation starts now.